Do it. Let's see it. Let's see the moves.
Hi, Jake. Hi, Jake.
Sorry, buddy.
Come over here so he crawls to us.
Sorry, buddy.
I don't know.
Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy.
Come over here so he crawls to us.
Crawl.
Don't pull him. Jakey,
Crawl.
come on.
Crawl.
Jakey, Jake.
Mommy,
Yes.
I need to turn on the TV.
In a minute. Come over here and help me get Jake to crawl over here, and then I'll turn it on for you. Jakey, come over here and he'll pay attention over here.
Well, I can.
Don't touch his legs.
Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy.
Come on.
Buddy.
There's a phone. Get the phone. Get the phone.
No, I will try it.
No. Let him see the phone.
A little bit more.
Okay, now move it further away. Take it. I know, but now take it and move it further away. Take it.
Put it closer to Mommy.
Okay.
Okay, now let him get it. Okay, Jake, go get it.
Move your feet out of his face.
No.
No.
We want him to get to really move. Look.
Go, Jakey.
Go, Jakey. Go, Jakey. Go, Jakey. Go, Jake.
Now, crawl.
I know, but he can't if you're sitting right there,
Your
sweetie.
leg's in the way.
Go, Jakey.
Go, Jake.
Go, Jake. Go, Jake.
You're almost there, Jake. Go on. Come on.
There he goes.
You almost
There he
got it.
goes. There he goes. Hooray! Hip, hip, hooray. Jakey started crawling today. Hip, hip, hooray. Jakey started